This is the Pittsburg compact trolley jack, 5-star review for it. Used it yesterday, it was awesome. It's gonna come, I think 3 pieces out of the box. There's this little handle here that you just pop off. Maybe, there we go, just comes off. It just slides over these 2 big bolts here to put it on. So I wouldn't super trust that to carry it, but I have carried it by that and it works just fine. This handle, it's got 1 little notch right here. So that way you can put it on, go right or left, and that will let you pump it up there. Now, while it is super compact, it is big enough to lift my truck, or it goes tall enough to lift my truck. I have tested that. And so there you go. So that's going to be tall enough to get underneath the car, lift it up, or a truck at least. And then, for those of you that don't know, there's a crossbar here, and then right here, this is pointed all the way to the right. So you line up that crossbar with this little notch here, and then as you turn it to the left, you'll see that'll let this go down. Now it's gonna go down pretty quick, so when you do that, just make sure to barely turn it left when you're lowering the car. Otherwise, this thing gets it done. Like I said, it's tall enough, strong enough to lift my truck. It's only a 2-ton rating, but because normally you're only lifting 1 wheel, so a 1/4, maybe a 1/3 of the weight. That's why you can get away with such a small jack, even on a truck. So this makes great for like roadside. That's what I have it for. I just have it in a tote in the back of my truck to just use on the roadside. But way, way better and safer than those stupid little scissor jacks that come with a car that are super cheap and bent. I have had one break on me while I was changing tires. So that's why I use this 5-star, highly recommend it. Thanks.